How would you like to start making $100 or more every single day? Alright, now what you see on my screen here is my Stripe account. This is just one of the income streams that you're going to be seeing on this page. Now, this process that I'm about to share with you is not like anything that you've seen. It's insanely simple, and the first income stream, the first software that we're going to be using has its own traffic source included. Okay, so bear with me, stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to show you now. If you guys see here, I've been able to profit $364 in the last couple weeks since I've joined this. But I want you to see here now, if we go back to the last week, most of this money has come from the last few days, right? So this is starting to ramp up, and I've been getting a lot of questions for people to, how to set up a sales funnel and things like that. So what I've done is I've actually gone ahead and went back and set up a sales funnel, the one that you're on right now. Let me just show you. So you should be watching this video right here. Okay, below this there'll be a button which is going to take you over to our first income stream, which is our SMS software. Okay, I'll be getting into that here in just a moment. Right, I'm going to be giving you guys lots of information so that you understand just how simple this is. Okay, it's a two-step process. All you have to do is grab your SMS software, right, and then below this I'm going to give you access to my entire sales funnel, where the videos that you're watching right now, they're going to do all the selling for you. You don't have to sell anybody, you don't have to do anything like that. All you have to do is grab this software, right, set up your system, which is going to give you access to make money from your SMS software, which you guys see here. I've been making around $100 a day, right, over the last couple of days since I've been actively promoting it. And once this system launches, this is just going to skyrocket. Okay, now the other way that you can earn is through the Power Lead system. Okay, all the Power Lead system is what I use to build this page. Okay, as you guys see here, I have all of my different web pages, right? If you guys want to see the landing page, we can just go here, right? So everything's very simple. I want to make sure that you guys understand everything is very simple. People go to this page, right, from the text message that you send. They're going to enter in their email. They're going to get sent over to this page, and when they decide to sign up after watching our videos, you're going to earn commissions like this, right? Or you could earn even more depending on how much action you take. Okay, but the Power Lead system has been paying me since 2017. Okay, now this is a great system that has tons and tons of value and tons of earning potential as well. Okay, so let me just jump back here to this page. So in video number 1, we're going to be talking about the SMS software. Okay, so let's jump into that right now. If you guys click the button, right, if you click here to continue, what's going to happen is you're going to get sent over to this link. All right, I'm just going to show you guys the link right here. Okay, so this is going to be the main SMS phone leads landing page. I'm going to quickly go through it with you guys. But if you guys want more information about this product, you can go through here, and I highly recommend reading this yourself so that you can learn for yourself. Okay, I'm not here to teach you every step of the way. I'm here to guide you and show you the directions that you need to go to start making money. Okay, so this is the SMS software. Now, the front end offer, right, the front end offer is going to give you your very own phone number, right, your very own phone number, which you can set up where people can call it, they can text it, and you can set up a quick little voice response, right? All you can say is, hey, thanks for calling in. If you'd like to start making $100 or more per day, press 1, right? And then the system will automatically send them a text message with your link to this landing page, right? And boom, you can start generating leads. So you can post this number wherever you want. You can put it on a business card, however you want. Okay, so that's one way to start getting traffic with this SMS software. Okay, step number 2, they have a optional phone funnel. This is just going to show you how to get more traffic from your mobile phone, right? That is an amazing $10 upsell, and I would say almost 90% of the people actually get it. Because if we go into here, right, you can see all these $30 and there's very few $20, okay? So a lot of people are actually getting that $10 upsell, which means that you're going to be making $30 every single time somebody goes through the funnel, instantly paid right into your Stripe account. And as you guys see here, you know, $25 was deposited 4 days ago. I have about like $200 or $300 waiting to be withdrawn, which should be in the next couple days. So that's awesome. All right, and then the third, but the last but not least, is the SMS blaster. Now this is going to be the main source of traffic. This is the main source of traffic that I use. Okay, so all this is going to allow you to do for $33 per month. As you guys see here, I have these credits. Okay, so if I go into, I've already sent my message out per day. Okay, I have videos on my YouTube channel. Below this video, what I think I'm going to do is I might add my YouTube subscribe here, because I do come out with lots of free value and training, and I want to help you guys succeed. Okay, so I might throw that in there for you guys, but you can head over to my YouTube channel, Six Figure Marketers Club. Just type that into YouTube and you can find me. But the SMS blaster, that's going to allow you to send out a 200 message broadcast every single day. And now if once you start using this and you tweak your message and you consistently use this, you can easily start generating anywhere from 10 to 20 leads every single day just with this SMS blaster alone. Okay, and that is crazy. These traffic, these leads that come from this source of traffic are insane. All right, when I was doing solo ads, I would spend about $30 to $40 to get 30 to 40 leads, right? So this is a lot cheaper, because if we go into here, if you want to buy SMS credits, right, you can get 3,000 credits, right? It's 1 credit per message for like 10 cents, or for like a penny, right? So it's very, very cheap to get this traffic, and it does convert as well. And if you guys want to upgrade, you can message support and upgrade your blaster. So say you want to send out 1,000 messages per day, or 5,000 messages, whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and upgrade that to what you see fit. All right, so that is the SMS software, right? If you guys want to learn how to set up your number, make sure you go into the training section and click on set up my SMS system. All right, in here, this is where you're going to get all of your training. There's like 3 or 4 hours worth of training, which is going to teach you everything that you need to know. Okay, I get a lot of questions. How do you set it up? It's right inside of the training section under set up my SMS system. And then there's also a bunch of bonuses in there as well. Okay, so that's it for this. That's it for this SMS software. That's it for this step of the training. All you have to do is go here, click here to continue. Okay, and then once you've signed up, you'll have your very own referral link. And in video number 2, where I'm going to show you how to copy this funnel, right? In this video, once you're watching it, this share code will be entered here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to give you this. I'm going to give you this sales page. I'm going to give you this landing page. I'm even going to give you email follow-up, which you don't even have to worry about anything. All you have to do is literally copy a simple code, right, and plug in this affiliate link, and your system is done. Your system's ready to go. You can start sending traffic to it. If you want to link it to your email autoresponder, you can do that. It's very, very quick and very easy to set up. That's why I love the Power Lead system. And in the next video, I'm going to show you that you can actually make some really, really decent money once your teams start to grow. And like I said, these are all going to be income streams for you. So you're going to have 2 income streams. This one pays out instantly, and the Power Lead system pays out every single Wednesday, and they've been paying out every single Wednesday like clockwork. As you guys see here, I've got a couple $100 weeks and stuff like that. I wasn't promoting it as actively, but now that I'm setting up these automated systems for you guys, you'll definitely start to see this Power Lead system more often, because it is an amazing tool. All right, guys, so go ahead, finish watching this video, click that button right here, get sent over, create your account, right? All you got to do is simply click that button, It's going to ask you some information, set everything up, grab your affiliate link, and I'll see you guys in the next training, okay? I'll see you guys in this training here. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon.